Hey guys, today I'm going to show you the overall construction progress of my Revell 1-48 B-25J Mitchell. See, all the gluing and painting is complete here, as you can see. And along with that, all that's left to do is decal the thing and put 2 more parts on there. Well, these parts are really small, and they go right to where the Army Air Corps emblem is. Right there. Part number 44. First off, I'd like to apply the decal before applying the part, because if I just apply the part, the decal will come out wrong. Well, the version I chose for this thing was the Jaunty Joe A. Now the B version for this model is the Finito Bonito, which ought to be right back here. And A version is Jaunty Joe, which is right here. Along with that, I got more models here, which I received for my birthday. Well, this one I actually kind of picked out before my party. Now, I'll get to this. Along with that, this one I was surprised with, which I'm happy to have, because there are 2 variants with it, and I'm not going to get it returned to the store, because the alternate variant is right here. Yep, I'm going to use the alternate variant for this, and along with that, first F4 Phantom is right up here, along with 2 F105 Thunder Jeeves. Well, I don't mind 2 F4 Phantoms as escort for the 2 Thuds. And I got my F8 Crusader there too. Okay, other than that, I happened to be at Hobby Lobby for fun when I've come across this Revell 1-48 F14 Tomcat. Now this one's been on the shelf for all my teen years, and I've noticed that when I was in high school, when I came back for another visit, it was still there. So from there, I decided nowadays that it's time to get that model out of there. I felt bad for the kit, so what I did was I stepped into Hobby Lobby, went and got some more paint and glue, and I got this thing off of the shelf. And there she is. Okay. F14A. Right now it's replaced with the F14D, which I might get someday, as you can see here for my ceiling thing. Now the reason why I have these models on my ceiling, for those who don't know, is because they're there to keep the nightmare out of my closet. Yes, to keep the nightmares out of there. That's why they're there. Well, that's all the time I have left. See you around.